Today, i-share ko sa inyo yung aking naging procedure kahapon, colonoscopy. They found out dun sa fit test na merong konting blood sa aking stool. So, in-advise ng aking doctor to go for colonoscopy. So, dito sa video, panoorin niyo yung mga ginawa ko, procedure na kailangan gawin. Mausok dito sa amin, no? Tingnan yung likod. Maraming fire because it's summer. Yan, usok. Kasi si Commander, she did this in 2016 pero hindi ganitong ka-extensive yung mga diet kung ano. Sa kanya ano lang, a night before bawal kumain. Wala siyang diet. Itong sa akin, ang dami. 4 days of dieting. Yan. Sundin natin. Ito ang preparation 4 days before the procedure. Kailangan mag-diet. Yan. Low fiber food only. At saka clear fluids. Dito na ako sa 1 day before. Bumili kami ng Colite. Kailangan na inumin. It will clear out your system. It's $39.99 plus tax sa Shoppers Drug Mart. Sa aking schedule, I'm going to start drinking this at 8 o'clock tonight. 8 ounce every 15 minutes. 2 liters. And then, the other 2 liters, you would have to drink it at 2:30 on my schedule, 2:30 in the morning, and 8 ounces again every 15 minutes. So maaga akong gigising 2:30 to drink this. Ang aking procedure is at 8 o'clock in the morning. Pero kailangan ko nasa hospital at 7:30. Tomorrow is the day. Yan. Day before my procedure. Hanggang 10 o'clock in the morning lang ako makakain. Toast bread, that's it. No more solid food after. Just liquids. Clear liquid. Gutom ang ating aabutin yan. Taste better daw kung malamig. 7 hours na akong walang kinakain na solid food. Binisita ko na ang toilet once. May gusto na kagad ako pero hindi ko pa iniinom yung Colite. Umiinom lang ako ng since 10 o'clock juice, apple juice at saka tubig. Blue stool na kagad. Mamayang alas 8 ko iinom ng Colite. Yan, umpisa na tayong uminom nito, Colite. Shake it first. Kakaibang direction nila. Dito rapidly, doon sa pamphlet nila slowly. It's a Jollibee mug para jolly pag inom. Man natin. Oh, it's not bad. Hindi mapait. Parang may flavor siya. Sino naman ang magiging result nito, mami? First one. Second one. Ang sun, very smoky. Marami ngayon forest fire. Kaya ganyan. Fourth one. Nagdumi na ako on the fourth one. Almost 9 o'clock. This is my second time on the toilet. Isa na lang for tonight. Ang 10 ko na tong class. It's almost 2:30 in the morning. Ito magsisimula ulit tayo for another colite. Yung last 2 liters iinumin natin. Isa na lang. Last one. So this is where I'm going today. 7:30 ang aking appointment. It's only 7. Mas manok ni Commander. It will take 90 minutes, they said. There's my result. It's good.
Hey, it's finally done.
I'm done. I can go home and eat. Didn't take long, 20 minutes nga. Ganda ng building, ano? Yung nakagandahan dito, libre. Libre. Nitrogen. Waiting for the ride. Meron pala dito yung bus. Yung bus na nagagaling, pumupunta dito, nagagaling din sa lugar namin. Yung bus stop. Binigyan ako sedation so I cannot drive. And I cannot sign legal papers. Meron ba kang legal papers today? Eh?
Papipirmahin pala kita.
Yung actual procedure only took 20 minutes. Mas matagal pa yung paghihintay sa loob. I visited the toilet 28 times. Ngayon tatanungin nyo kung masakit o hindi. Hindi siya masakit. I asked for light sedation. I was wide awake nung ginagawa yung procedure. Meron pa nga monitor dyan sa kaharap mo. Malaking monitor. So, kita ninyo kung anong ginagawa nila. It only took 20 minutes at walang kasakit-sakit. Mas masakit pa nga yung pag-wipe sa puwet. 28 times na loose stool. So, ayun. Huwag kayong matakot. It's madali lang palang procedure yun. Thanks for watching. Kung meron kayong itatanong, just comment down below. Paki-subscribe na din. Salamat! Bye-bye!